Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Virgos, for your general energy, career situation and relationship, Virgos. We are picking few cards, guys. If you are interested, you can watch the fairy tale pick a card love reading, guys. That is a special reading that will come right after this general energy, Virgos. So these are the cards, guys, for your situation. Let's see. We have the Hierophant, Chariot and the Emperor in reverse. So in your situation, guys, Virgos, there are great changes happening in your situation. You feel really inspired, confident in yourself, and maybe you are finding comfort in some kind of belief, or you are beginning to believe certain things, and that is giving you great confidence and inspiration. It is inspiring you in a positive way today, guys. And in your situation, again, in your career or personal life, whatever situation you are facing, it may be some conflicts in your career, maybe some hardships, suspensions or delays in work, in achievement of your projects or whatever you do, and maybe in your personal life some misunderstandings, some arguments are there, quarrels are there in your situation. But whatever it is, maybe some immature decisions or this person's behavior, they are treating you badly in some ways and you're feeling really stressed or sad. And maybe they are quite stubborn, they are not listening to you, they have their own way of dealing with any situation, and they don't want to listen to you, or they do not have the true concern or true love for you. So some kind of troubles in your life, in your personal life or in your relationship, whatever that is, guys, you are going to overcome all that, guys. You are going to overcome all those troubles, and you are going to feel peaceful, serene today in your situations, and bit by bit your problems are going to resolve, and you are going to see a great change in your situation, and you are going to have that control over your emotions, maybe that stress or sadness. Maybe you have that acceptance in your heart today. You are accepting your situation as it is. That may be the reason. However your situation is, you are going to have that happiness and peace of mind in your heart of hearts, Virgos. So that is what I see with these cards, guys, Virgos. So your present situation in your career or personal life, you may see some sadness, stress or worries. You are going to overcome all that with a firm belief or that acceptance you have in your heart for your situation, guys, Virgos. So that is the reading, guys. Stay tuned for that pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Virgos. For your love reading, guys, today is going to be like a pick a card, and it is a special fairy tale pick a card love reading. So it may point out to your situation or answer some questions you have in your mind or some confusion. So you need to just close your eyes, think about your situation for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with this card. This is your first card. This is your second card. So I will start after a few seconds of silence, guys. Okay, guys, so now let's start with this card, the first card. So let's see. It is Rapunzel, Liberation. So with this card, guys, the energy. We all know the story, guys, story of Rapunzel. So it stands for liberation, freedom. So in your situation, whenever we get this card in a reading, it just means that you are feeling trapped in something, some situation or some circumstance. You are unable to make some decision, and you are trying to isolate yourself. Maybe you are avoiding people literally, or you are trying to isolate yourself, maybe for some reasons, and maybe you are not able to make your own choices, or someone is making those choices for you, and or someone, maybe one person is influencing you, and you need fresh ideas, fresh inputs today, and maybe something is troubling you in your situation, guys, and you're trying to escape, or you're escaping from your situation, not ready to face your circumstance, maybe, guys, and you are having some negative thought patterns today, maybe in this love, maybe in this connection, and you feel you cannot leave this person, or maybe for some reasons you have, maybe it may be fear, or something is blocking you from leaving them. You want to leave them, you want freshness in your life, or you want something else, but you are unable to make that decision today, guys, because something is blocking you. But in truth, it is in your own hands, guys. Your freedom is in your own hands, so you are free to make your own choices today, guys. So whatever you have in your mind, you can, or whatever you wish for, you can go with it, if you have that strength and determination. And maybe for some of you, you have decided on some things, and but you're not, you have some inhibition to step into action. Maybe that time of waiting is over today, guys, and you are going to see your situation with a new perspective, and you are going to free yourself from the negative thoughts that you are having about your love or about your situation. And maybe for some of you, you have some fears or some negative memories because of your past, and that is what is holding you back today. But it is time you overcome all that, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who have chosen this card, the first card. So let's see what is the second card. I will keep this card aside. So let's see what is the second card. The Little Mermaid, sacrifice. So this is your second card, guys. And the energy with this card is that for those who have chosen this card, maybe you are sacrificing too much for this love, guys, or for this connection, for this person. Maybe you are doing so much, facing lot of trials, risking so much to belong to this person. And maybe for some of you, you are trying to change yourself so much. It may be even a physical kind of change through surgery, or you're making changes to your appearance, maybe to make you more appealing, make you more lovable. But you need to understand that pain and self-sacrifice will not lead you to an happy ending, guys. You have to have that, you have to love your true self, whatever you are. You should not be try to be something which you are not, guys. That will only take you towards more pain and suffering in life. So maybe you are desiring something, and you want to do certain things which you are not, but only if you are true to your self, whatever you are honestly, only then it will give you peace of mind and happiness. And if you are trying to be something which you are not, it is not going to give you happiness, guys. So that is what this card is about. And you should stay away from relationships which demands too much from you, too much sacrifice, or it means it is something unbearable for you to make so much sacrifice or do so much for this love, for to be with this person. And you are unique in your own way, and you are precious in your own way, and the right person who will appreciate that will love you. So you need not worry, guys. So that is what I see with this card, guys, for those who have chosen this card. So if you are in a situation where you have to pay too much for this love, you need to think twice, guys, before going in deep with that connection. So that is a reading with this card, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.